Yeah, what's the scoop? Give us the
Dude, why won't this door
519.
open? The what?
Give us the 911 on assembly. What's the 418?
Affirmative.
There's a freaking turn up here, bro.
Why can't I go up? Shots in business.
Can we kill this stupid arc, please? Below us. Oh wait, that's Pok, never mind. On me.
People on
Does he
Thomas.
just say friendly? This is Telemontes 3s, bro.
Can I get some hit, please?
What are they just...
People below us and right in front of us.
Barricaded it.
Good.
And we got
Dude,
Art
please, let's
on
go.
us up here.
We gotta kill this firefly. We gotta kill this firefly. Wait, I think they're taking this one down.
No,
There's an
no,
Oscar
no.
here. Somebody take it.
They took that down right there.
Behind. What?
Got him.
There's a guy behind us.
Bottom floor.
Oh my gosh.
We got people behind us too.
Coming up from the bottom. I downed one on the bottom, but there's another guy. They put barricades and stuff on the other side.
Red kit broken here.
Hurt.
Wait. This is what I can do.
Put another one.
Nice.
This is a guy,
There's
yeah.
another kit right down there.
Barricade. Over there.
Running across?
You want me to push him?
I don't know.
I almost killed that guy. Damn it.
Where is he? Behind that kit?
He's not down on the first floor. He just ran down the stairs. Oh, across.
Is this 2 teams?
So
Yeah.
There he is, right here.
he's down to
I
dead.
need like these guys to die.
You wanna push him, Thomas? Me and you?
Yeah, if we can. Dude, running down, I think. Got him. Just thirst him.
People
Good.
shooting
I'm
from
running back
long.
up, I'm running back up, I'm running back up, I'm running back up. Yeah.
I'm coming.
They were in this
Got
spot
him,
coming. Nice. He pushed her from across the bridge, so watch the bridge. Oh, right here.
Yo, I need help.
Coming.
Full team on me.
Hurt.
Smoked him out. Watch that nade. Watch the nades.
Yeah, blast.
You want me to barricade kit that door?
I have a showstopper.
Stop. I'm healing up. Pull in. We'll cover you.
They're getting fucked by another team right now.
Here. I'm gonna put a kit right here. Can't come in now.
Alright, I'm gonna open this door.
Open that fucking door.
Grenades behind. I gotta heal.
What a fucking rat, bro.
On the door, on the door.
Dude, I'm so tempted.
Got one. Another down.
He's dead.
Fuck, man, I need help so bad. Yeah, I'm dead. I just dropped. I dropped a metro.
Getting him.
Okay.
No way! No way! No way! Whole team right here.
Dude!
Oh my gosh.
I don't have a defib. I don't have a
You gotta
defib.
touch me. You gotta touch me. You gotta touch me. Oh!
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Wow.
Running, I think, here.
Easy, easy. You're fine. Just defib and get him up. Yeah. And then one guy coming in. One guy coming in right here.
Dead. Oh my gosh, Joe.
I have a defib. No.
If you have a survivor kit, Joe, let's just go to the hatch.
I do.